when I first came here, I really didn't want to work here because like I really didn't find any interest in animals. But as I like worked here over the other summer and then this summer, I actually like it.
We are very excited to partner with CareerSource. One of the things that we want to do is reach out to individuals that may not have an opportunity to think about a career in marine life or in a working animal hospital. And so we want to provide opportunities to students that will open up their eyes about different careers that are available. There is a whole business side behind the aquarium, such as marketing, HR, finance. People don't think about those areas, but then of course there's the animal care programs, which everybody is excited to come and be part of.
The most I've learned is how to deal with people better. I guess more hospitality, because my job mainly is to talk to people. It's a lot of teamwork and talking to people.
I would 100% recommend, because the only way to truly push yourself is definitely taking challenges, so being scared. Like when I came in, I'm not really big on talking to new people, and I've learned to talk to new people every day, and now I'm not stressed about it anymore.
This would also be very good for me to learn new skills as well, like communication and being more comfortable talking to people I've never met before. I'd say I really do enjoy it.
While they're here with us, we try to help them get more of a public speaking voice, to be in front of crowds, to tell someone that they've never met before why this dolphin calls us home and can't be released back to the wild. So getting those more life skills built up to eventually help them down the road in their career.
We take students and transform their lives. We give them new visions, we give them new opportunities.
I had to find like a relationship with animals now. Like it's just, I don't know, it's different. I didn't like used to litter, but like now I'm like very hard on like if I see any of my friends like throw anything or like do anything that's like littering, I would just, I don't know, I'm very like hard on it.
My favorite parts about coming here is definitely that I get to make guests smile and they make me smile. I love seeing people happy when they learn about new things.
It's taught me things that, like things I do want to do in my future career, things I wouldn't lean towards. And so it's just like, it helps you learn more about yourself and what you want to do for a job.